providing you the information you need in these uncertain times. Welcome to the channel and enjoy the video.
How to open a gold IRA account. Investors looking for a way to diversify their portfolio and protect their wealth may consider opening a gold IRA account. A gold IRA is a self-directed individual retirement account that allows investors to invest in physical gold and other precious metals, as opposed to traditional stocks and bonds. This video will provide a step-by-step guide on how to open a gold IRA account. Step 1. Research gold IRA custodians. The first step in opening a gold IRA account is to research and choose a custodian that specializes in gold IRAs. A custodian is a financial institution that holds and manages the investor's IRA assets on their behalf. It's crucial to find a reputable and experienced custodian when opening a gold IRA account. Investors should look for a custodian that has a solid track record, a good reputation in the industry, and reasonable fees. It's also important to check which precious metals the custodian allows in the account, as some may only allow gold, while others may allow silver, platinum, and palladium. Step 2. Choose your gold investment. Once an investor has chosen a custodian, they must decide on a gold investment. Investors can choose to invest in physical gold in the form of coins or bars, or invest in gold stocks or mutual funds. Physical gold offers a tangible asset that can be stored and held on the investor's behalf. It's important to remember that not all types of gold are allowed in a gold IRA account, and there are strict guidelines on the purity of the gold that is allowed. Step 3. Open the gold IRA account. After selecting a gold investment, investors can open a gold IRA account. The process is similar to opening a traditional IRA account. The investor must complete an application and provide documentation to verify their identity and eligibility to open an IRA account. The custodian will also require the investor to fund their account before making any purchases. The investor can fund the account by rolling over funds from an existing IRA or 401k account, or by making a direct contribution. Step 4. Purchase your gold investment. Once the gold IRA account is open and funded, investors can purchase their chosen gold investment. The custodian will facilitate the purchase on the investor's behalf and ensure that the gold is stored in a secure location. Investors must work with a reputable dealer to ensure they're getting the best price for their gold investment. The custodian may have relationships with dealers specializing in gold IRA investments and can provide recommendations. Why choose Augusta Precious Metals? Augusta Precious Metals is a recommended custodian for investors looking to open a gold IRA account. They specialize in gold IRAs and have a team of experts dedicated to guiding investors through the process. Augusta Precious Metals has a solid track record, a good reputation in the industry, and a commitment to providing the best possible investment solutions. Additionally, they offer a free gold kit to help investors get started. The free gold kit can be obtained by clicking the link in the description, going to easygoldinvestments.com, or calling 1-855-470-4636. Investors looking to diversify their portfolio and protect their wealth may consider opening a gold IRA account. This step-by-step guide outlines the process of opening a gold IRA account and provides recommendations for a reputable custodian, Augusta Precious Metals. By following these steps and working with a reputable custodian, investors can invest in physical gold and other precious metals, diversify their portfolio, and protect their wealth for the future.
My name is Brian Pannebecker. I live in Macomb County, Michigan. I'll be turning 60 years old in about a week. I'm nearing retirement. After bouncing around a little bit, I hired in at Ford Motor Company, and I've been working for Ford Motor Company for 23 years now. My wife and I like to exercise and work out. We walk together, we bike ride together. My wife and I like to travel a little bit, and as I'm getting closer to retirement, one of the considerations that I had was having enough money to take some trips. Our family is very important to us. We want to be able to enjoy our retirement years and spend time with our sons and their families down the road. I'm going to have a small pension coming to me from the 11 years that I worked at Chrysler Corporation, and I'll have 24 years with Ford Motor Company when I retire in 18 months. But neither one of them are going to be big enough to rely on. So I've got some money in my 401k that I recently rolled over into an IRA with Augusta Precious Metals. If I schedule an appointment, I can go to the depository where my silver is going to be held, and I can actually see the silver that I've invested in. I can hold it in my hands. There's several out there that offer investing, and you see a lot of advertisements on television. But Augusta made the process very simple. They answered all my questions. They explained everything to me very clearly. And I just felt very comfortable with Augusta. I'm looking forward to some traveling, spending some time with my family, some good years of retirement. And Augusta's gonna help me do that.
Our top pick for a great company to work with in setting up a new gold IRA or rolling over an existing 401k or traditional IRA is Augusta Precious Metals. Money Magazine rated them Best Gold IRA Company for 2022, and they have one of the best customer satisfaction rates in the industry. Get in touch with them now to see how you can get fees waived for up to 10 years. Click the link in the video description or visit easygoldinvestments.com. You can also call them at 1-855-470-4636. They will get a gold guide out to you right away and answer any questions you may have. Don't wait, visit easygoldinvestments.com or call 1-855-470-4636. Protect your retirement from losing value due to inflation and potential turbulent times ahead.
I'm Devlin Steele, and today we're sitting with Joe Montana, and I have a few questions for him. Joe, it's always a pleasure to see you and an honor to be with you. And I know you've already purchased precious metals, and I was curious, what got you interested in gold and silver to start with?
Well, Devlin, it's great seeing you. It's been a little bit of time, but you know, when I looked at it after I retired from professional football, I was looking for ways to diversify my portfolio and my retirement savings. And for years, you know, I looked and searched, but never was able to find anyone out there that I thought that I could trust with buying gold and silver from. So I said to the financial team, okay, you go find the best precious metal companies out there. And here we are. They introduced me to Augusta Precious Metals.
You know, Joe, I do these conferences all day, every day, and it was funny because I didn't know it was you who signed into the web conference. Yeah. How did you end up in a web conference with Augusta Precious Metals?
Well, my financial team told me about gold and silver, and then they went out and found the best team there was, and it happens to be Augusta Precious Metals. And so I took it from there and saw that Augusta's reputation really spoke for itself. I mean, you guys are rated A+ from the Better Business Bureau, AAA from the Business Consumer Alliance, and I believe 5 stars from TrustLink.
That's correct.
And most trusted by IRA Gold Advisor. Well, it really seems Augusta has every single accolade you could think of.
Looking to open a gold IRA? Stop right now. Buyers beware. Gold IRAs are unregulated. Gold IRA companies are not all alike. Some use lies, gimmicks, and high-pressure tactics like the excessive free silver scheme to push you into starting a gold IRA with them. And that's wrong. With one wrong decision, you could be facing large hidden charges that reduce the value of your funds for years. Let us help you avoid a costly mistake. You can easily learn how to avoid falling for those scams by getting our guides, 10 Gold IRA Dealer Lies, and 15 Bad Reasons to Buy Gold and Silver. If you are looking to do a gold IRA, this is a must. Click here to get the guide and find out how to get a gold IRA the right way.
So the next thing I did, as you know, was met with you and then participated in a one-on-one web conference. And I sit back and look at it, and I'm sure happy I did.
So when you attended the web conference, what did you learn that made you decide precious metals was the right choice for you?
Because, you brought to light exactly what the Federal Reserve is doing, which made me realize that precious metals have, historically performed well during certain periods. And also Isaac Nuriani, Augusta CEO, shared his mission on the importance to educate and empower Americans on ways to add precious metals to diversify their retirement savings also. And, I think that resonated well with me and made me want to join the team. I think it's really, really important for people to make their own educated and well-informed decisions.
Joe, from the last time we spoke, are there any questions you're curious about?
Well, we have known each other for a while now. What is it that you love most about what you're doing right now?
Well, something you said that really resonates with me. When I met Isaac Nuriani and he told me about empowering and educating Americans, that stood out to me because I've been in boardrooms with VCs and financial institutions my entire career, and now I get to talk to everyday real Americans and share with them information that they find incredibly valuable and helps them create a peace of mind. And that is a lot of fun for me.
Well, Devlin, I just wanted to say thank you because having gold and silver in my portfolio just makes me feel good. It's secure, and it really, really does give me peace of mind. You explained really well what the Federal Reserve is doing with all the money that's being printed. Well, why haven't we seen inflation yet?
Well, the economy has been shut down by COVID, so all this money is being printed and it hasn't yet hit. It's not active. It's called the velocity of money, when money moves from person to person to person and it's not moving anywhere. But when that money hits the economy, because the Fed cannot unprint the money they've printed, when it hits, inflation will hit. And it is my belief that it's going to really accelerate at a very fast rate when it does.
I've always recognized the value of learning from my teammates and my coaches. So I have to say I'm really glad I connected with you and your team at Augusta, because I feel good about my decision to add physical gold and silver to my retirement portfolio. I like knowing that they often do well during times of economic uncertainty, and it's encouraging to know I have the potential to make money if the value of my metals go up.
I couldn't have said it better myself, Joe, and it's been a pleasure.
Hi, I'm Joe Montana. I had a lot of success in my football career, and it wouldn't have been possible without a great team protecting me. I'm here to tell you about my dedicated and knowledgeable team at Augusta Precious Metals that help diversify my portfolio to protect my hard-earned retirement savings. To get the playbook, all you have to do is sign up for the web conference. So hit that sign up link and get coached by a winning team. It's one you can't afford to miss.
Our top pick for a great company to work with in setting up a new gold IRA or rolling over an existing 401k or traditional IRA is Augusta Precious Metals. Money Magazine rated them Best Gold IRA Company for 2022, and they have one of the best customer satisfaction rates in the industry. Get in touch with them now to see how you can get fees waived for up to 10 years. Click the link in the video description or visit easygoldinvestments.com. You can also call them at 1-855-470-4636. They will get a gold guide out to you right away and answer any questions you may have. Don't wait, visit easygoldinvestments.com or call 1-855-470-4636. Protect your retirement from losing value due to inflation and potential turbulent times ahead.